Okay, good morning. Good morning. I want to talk to you about something important at the moment. I woke up this morning with imposter syndrome. I'm sure you guys know how that feels. Basically, some mornings I wake up and I feel like I'm Tony Stark. Then the next day, I feel like the Hulk and I just want to smash things. Then some mornings, I'm way back. I'm way cool and I've got it all figured out and I'm Tony Stark and I'm invincible. And by that afternoon, I am back to being the Hulk because somebody has annoyed me. And yeah, even though I'm crushing it on LinkedIn, I'm still smashing things. But then days like today, I wake up and I feel like I'm Gollum and I'm in search of my precious. What is my precious? Well, LinkedIn. As you know, I love LinkedIn. I started this Crushing It on LinkedIn program as a way to help my clients raise lots of money and connect and engage with their ideal audience of raving fans. But some mornings we all wake up and we don't feel good enough, or you wonder, why are people listening to me? Am I doing the right thing? Is there any purpose to it? And you kind of start spinning your wheels on creating content. You look at your metrics, and obviously my metrics are generally pretty good because I figured out the keys to LinkedIn. But still, this is depressing when you take a few days off and you come back and you see that your engagement is down 42%. And I want to play you this real sweet little clip of your last trip. As you know, I'm a fan of getting out, taking time off.
That is gorgeous.
We would be on a new island and we would have the crew drop.
Yep, all right. Let's now drop the camera. Say hi, Lala. Hey, that looks like a smiley face.
And explore.
We're in Tahiti.
So we're going out and
we've lost our guides.
Finding a nice little local restaurant and hanging out. I'm not focused on LinkedIn and I'm like, oh God, I got to go and do my LinkedIn and I've got to do my posts and I've got people that are relying on me. And then, this is as of today, up those things go again. And these metrics, and I always tell people to ignore them, but you know what, you can't actually ignore them because if you take your foot off the gas pedal, you kind of start again from scratch. So, instead of just relaxing and hanging out, boom, I am way right back on the boat doing my LinkedIn. And you can actually see if you zoom in on the screen, that is me working on LinkedIn. Then I look at Laura Louise, instead of, enjoying the sunset with me, she's sitting and she's working on her videos and her LinkedIn. And I mean, it's really kind of pathetic. So even like diving, I'm underwater swimming with the most incredible aquatic creatures and a whole beautiful world out there. And I'm thinking, oh, I better get back to the boat so that I can sit there like an idiot and do my LinkedIn stuff, okay? Even here on this wonderful little pop-out office, if you zoom in there, I'm working on LinkedIn and I'm trying to read a book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. But I'm obviously giving lots of them because I'm actually working on LinkedIn. And then I kind of like woke up a little bit because I read this wonderful little clip that somebody had done about if you imagine your life being a bank account and you get $86,400 every day, but it doesn't renew, right? I mean, every day you get another $86,000, but nothing you keep from Monday rolls forward to Tuesday. If you don't spend it, it's gone, right? And that's exactly how time is, right? Because every morning it credits you with 86,400 seconds. And if you knew that you don't get to keep those, wouldn't you want to maximize your time and really make the most of the day? And sitting in front of your computer, even though we're working from home, is not making the most of your day. So, as you know, I'm a real lover of that poem called Invictus. And I've got it here somewhere. I want to read it to you, and I'll get back to these things at the moment real quickly, okay? But I want to read you the last paragraph of this poem. And yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. And to me, that is a matter of really having your cake and eating it. And I figured this out, by the way. If you look at these metrics and you look at these charts of both the views and the likes, right? I don't have a pointer here right now. I don't know if the mouse will work on that. But you will see that there's a massive and a very big sharp jump. And that was the day that I figured out that you can actually build your LinkedIn content in about a quarter, maybe a fifth of the time. If you do it all in one go, do it in advance, schedule it, walk away from it. It is way more efficient. It is much better. It has a sequence to it. And you can take 2 weeks off LinkedIn and come back and have double the engagement, double the results, and have your calendar full. Somewhere here, I have this is a screenshot as of today of my calendar bookings. They are literally no more openings to it. And so I decided I'm going to build a program for you, and I'm going to share all of my hacks, my tips, my tricks, and really get to work with you. And I've got to try and do this real quickly because I want to keep this video shorter. I'm basically going to take you through step by step at a live workshop where I'm doing this for myself for my upcoming Christmas vacation, where I'm going to show you how to collect all of the ideas, create the bins, create graphics, write the contents, use the proper hashtags, the notes, how to do videos, how to download them, how to store them, how to share them, create multi-PDF slides, how to create polls that actually sell your business rather than just irritate people, then how to share all of that whilst you are gone using a couple of free resources, even some paid ones, then how to get the support for your posts in that golden hour, and by creating a buddy system. Obviously, I'm going to show you my hack of creating external links that don't harm your posts, because whilst you're gone, you want to be linking things so that people can do business with you and be filling your funnel so that when you get back, your calendar is fully booked with people who are waiting to do business with you. How to create a portal. And obviously, as usual, I'm going to be creating a lot of bonuses in there, which I normally do, including my lubricated pole. Oh God, that just came out wrong. But imagine a slippery, lubricated fire pole where people can stop the endless scrolling, right? You get them to stop scrolling, to start talking to you, and then slide into your DM so that you can start a conversation with them and drop them into your funnel. That's the links I'm going to show you, how you can create this portal that really allows people to do business with you. And at the end of the day, I'm going to take you through a couple of my winning posts where you see that, on any given day, I will have posts, with views of like 30,000 to 1 million plus. Some of them, are into the 2 to 3 million views. Those are not business posts. Those tend to be kind of more personal and emotional posts, but I will literally take you through all of that in this course. It is going to be a 2-hour workshop that I'm going to try and stick to the timing on that. Obviously, I'm going to record it, not for sending it to other people, but for sending it to you. So if you are a participant on this workshop, you will get the recording, because then we can focus on actually doing the work and really actually even, doing the work live with you present, so that you can focus on learning the skills rather than taking notes and then coming back to them later. But you will have that recording so that if you're having trouble or you're getting stuck somewhere, you can just hit play the instruction again on that section, on that particular skill, and then go and do it. So my plan is to do this in a rather small group. As you know, I'm not a big fan of the big auditoriums of people, because they don't create, active participation. So it's going to be on a invitation only basis. I'm going to hand select the first people to do this. Yes, there is going to be a cost to this whole thing, because you can't keep giving away your superpowers for free, because all you're doing is training people to never ever put their hand in their pockets. And then the problem is, if you have not paid for something, you don't value it, and then you don't do the work, and then you do it. So I am looking for serious players here. This video is already way too long, so I'm going to cut it off right here and wish you guys a wonderful weekend. Do me a favor, drop me a little comment in the notes down below if this is something that you would like to be a part of, and I will send you the invitation link. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye. Catch you later.